everybody, welcome to my channel. It's Kiana, obviously, and today I'm doing a sit down video because my last video was all over the place. So today I'm doing a get ready with me. I'm just gonna be doing my makeup. I'm going to a holiday party. It's January 9th, so that's exciting. Also, I have some questions here to answer. I haven't read any of them, so we're gonna see how this goes. But yeah, so we're just gonna get started. Okay, so I'm starting off with this moisturizer. My mom makes it and I sell it, so it's like a rose gold serum, and we're just gonna start by putting this on my face. It smells like lemons and roses, and it's so nice. Like, I sold one to somebody from my work, and I hugged her and I was like, oh, I can tell you have this on. So this is, it has real gold in it, so pretty cool. And then I also make my own rose water, but I just put it in the Mario Badescu facial spray, but I just like hydrate my face with that. I love roses, so I just use roses in everything. Next thing I'm using, it's Needles No More Dr. Brandt No More Baggage. It's because I have really bad under eye bags, and it's kind of like a color corrector, but it also tightens your skin. It's really cool. I got it in my BoxyCharm. I like it a lot. And like, sometimes I put on like way too much and I could like feel my skin tightening. So I just put that under my eyes where my eye bags are. And then I use the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. My friend gave this to me, so I've just been using it. I don't really have a favorite primer. I just kind of use whatever I have. So this is what I'm using currently. I was using the Professionals primer, which I really like. It's pricey and I use a lot of it, but I always get those samples, so it's okay. While I'm doing that, let's answer the first question. What would you name your boat if you had one? I don't know. I never really wanted a boat. I went to Florida and I saw some boats. That was pretty cool. I don't know, probably like after my mom, because my mom's pretty cool. So like SS Shazam. My mom's last name is Shazam. So I shaved my eyebrow a while ago, so like they're a little messed up. But I just start, I didn't blend them in. I just start by like brushing them out, and then I take my Brow Benefit brow stuff. I'm in shade 3, which is too light for me, and I always spray it with rose water. I don't know why, it's just I just kind of outline the bottom at first. I just kind of like look, see where it needs it, so like at the top. And I feel like eyebrows are easy to mess up, but like hard to mess up at the same time, because I've found that if you just brush with a spoolie at the end, everything just kind of blends together, and that's what I like. And then I take my spoolie thing again and I just blend it all together. So this one's more squared than this one. Like, this has a bigger arch, so I kind of try and make that a little even. And the eyebrow gel I use is the Ulta Beauty Brow Shaping Gel. I like brushing my eyebrows up, like the hairs up, and then bringing it down. And then it makes it appear thicker. And there you go. They're done. I take the Maybelline New York concealer and I just put a little bit on my hand This is my first brush brand. I got it off of Amazon, so I'm just gonna clean up my brows, I guess. I just kind of do this so that I have a base for my eyeshadow. What celebrity would you rate as a perfect 10? Chris Pratt. Everything is shaking. After I just applied some concealer on my eyelid and I just like pat that in. We're gonna add more eyeshadow primer after, but I just like blending in the cleanup thing. And then I do that on top. This beauty blender is by Pink Pewter. It's really cool. It's kind of big, but I have a Real Techniques beauty blender that I use to get under my eyes, but that's like a really good one. It's bouncy. My eyebrows are done. I'm just going to blend a little bit right here, even though we're gonna cover it up. I just like everything to be blended. We're trying things differently today. I'm going to start with my face. So, I use a foundation that's way too dark for my skin tone. So, we're gonna just do this. I use the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy and Smooth in the color 120. Classic Ivory? Yeah. And this used to be my color. And it's not my color at all. But I like being tan, so that's what we're doing. I like this foundation because it's not like super coverage. I feel like it's like low to medium coverage, but it's also blendable, buildable. Okay, my bad. Wrong vocabulary. Oh, I forgot to color correct. Dang it. I usually color correct under my eyes and right here because I have a birthmark that's red. So I put green there and then I put red under my eyes. I use the Maybelline concealer again. And then I just put it. So I just put concealer here and then I blend it in. What fictional character would be the most boring to me in real life? Oh, you know, he wouldn't be boring, he would just annoy me. Chris Trader from Parks and Rec. So we are attempting to contour. I'm using my BH Studio Pro contour kit. I'm gonna go in with this color and just attempt to do this. I feel like it's too high, whatever. She's uneven. I have a really big nose, like, yeah. So I try to contour my nose. I feel like that's good enough. We're blending. I hope she's blending. What's the dumbest way you've been injured? That's a funny story. I broke my toe once when I was like 7 or 8 or 10 or I don't know. But I was at my house and so I go and open the freezer and my brother put a gumball machine like this big gumball machine on top of the freezer so when somebody opens it, it would fall on them. So the gumball machine falls on me and thankfully the glass shattered. It was glass and it was metal and the glass shattered, but thankfully it didn't get in my toe. The metal just smashed my foot and that's how I broke my toe. So I use the Matte and Poreless Maybelline Fit Me. I just kind of use all of Maybelline for like my face and stuff. It's because it's cheap and I know it works for me and I go through it a lot. So I don't bake a lot. I probably should. I have cool baking powder, but I don't. I don't know why I don't. But also, this brush is a crown brush. I think I got it in my Ipsy package. Being a makeup artist doesn't come overnight. It's mostly a lot of practicing. I used to stay up late every night practicing makeup. I'm gonna bronze with bronzer. I use the Bahama Mama. I use it a lot, as you can tell. So I'm just bronzing where I put my contour, and like the lines are a little harsh, and then I'm blending. My face is completed for the most part. I put on highlighter after, so I'm gonna start. My brushes are not clean, so ignore that. I'm gonna start with my Wet n Wild like fluffy brush and my Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm going to start with burnt orange right here. So I'm gonna start with that. I'm gonna use this as my transition shade. My grandma just like had a talk with me about how I don't sleep at night and how I should fix that, and I was like, oh, I'm going to the gym, and she's like, oh great, and that was the end of that conversation. I'm trying to be a better person in 2019. It's not gonna last long, I know that, but we're gonna try. This BH Cosmetics brush that also has not been cleaned, and we're gonna go in with this color. It's called Red Ochre, I think, and we're gonna do that. We're gonna put this in my crease and blend it in to the other, my transition shade. So I'm just doing like windshield wiper motions in my crease. I started with like, I don't know what that's called, that motion to blend it together, and now I'm just doing windshield wiper motions to kind of deepen it. I want to do like Christmas colors, but I don't celebrate Christmas and it's January. So go on with our Wet n Wild brush, and I'm using the Kylie Jenner Sipping Pretty. This is the 21st birthday palette, and I'm going to go in with the shade on the list, which is this pink sparkly color. So I'm gonna put that on my flat tip brush, then I'm gonna spray it because I want glitter. We're gonna pack it on like that. I probably should have used a glitter primer, but unfortunately I don't have that. I left mine open. I'm gonna go back in with the Red Ochre color. I don't know if I'm saying that right still. And we're just gonna blend the pink into that. Go in with this Luxie tapered blending brush and the color Close the Tab, which is this one, and it's like a light brownish color. I think it'll look good on this, and I'm just gonna put this in the crease, or not the crease, the outer corner, to like deepen that. I got this brush from Walmart, and I'm just gonna blend everything in. I'm gonna take that same color, the brown color, and put it on my under eye. This is a Ben Nye brush I got in a special effects kit. Then I'm gonna take this brush, it's Wet n Wild, it's that one really cool collection. I got it for Christmas. I'm just blending that together. Now, we're gonna attempt something scary. Where is it? She's right here. I'm going to take this, the Stila Shimmer and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow. And, okay, we're just gonna try this, okay? This is intense.
This one's higher than this one.
Oh, hang on. I'm a perfectionist. Whew, that was difficult. We're just gonna have it dry for a second. I'm going to set my face with the Smashbox Photo Finish Prime Water. You can find this at Marshall's. I saw it at Marshall's today for like $4. So the next thing I am using is Cover FX glitter drops. They're exclusive to BoxyCharm. So I have these, and I need a mirror. I just dab them on my, that's a lot. And then I blend them in with my finger. This just like enhances my highlighter. It's really pretty and I like them a lot. They're so expensive though. But a little goes a long way, honestly. I have some excess, so I'm just gonna do that. I haven't thought about that. Oh. And then I just put it everywhere where I'm gonna put my highlighter. And we're gonna use the glow kit now. And since it's like a gold color that I just used, this is my Luxie tapered highlighter brush, and I'm gonna go in with Summer and just put my highlighter on. After that, I'm going to apply my mascara, and I'm using the Grande mascara, the lash boosting formula. I had the primer for this, which made my lashes look so good, but I lost it. I don't wear lashes a lot, like fake lashes, because I can never put them on correctly. Like, I love wearing them. I just kind of suck at putting them on. I'm going to apply this Vivid Lip Paint by Give Me Glow. My mom gave these to me. So we're just gonna let that sit for a second. And then I'm gonna apply Kylie Jenner, the like cream eyeshadow thing. I don't know how to explain it, but I bought it. So that's my makeup. I straightened my hair, kind of. It was already pretty straight, so there wasn't much I needed to do with that, and I just changed. So I have this like cardigan on. I have this black strapless long sleeve, and yeah, that's it. So I hope you liked this. It wasn't like a traditional makeup tutorial. I hope you guys like learned something from this. I don't know. Yep. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you later.